Warren Buffett once said, "Dividends are great because they give you a direct cash return on your investment, no matter what the market does." Don't think that dividends are only a small bonus. Dividends can make you some serious cash. Today, I'll give you 7 dividend stocks that can pay your rent. Get ready to be inspired and set sail for a better, rent-free future. First, let's go over monthly dividend stocks. Monthly dividend stocks pay dividends monthly, unlike the more infrequent quarterly or yearly payouts. These equities are issued by corporations with consistent cash flows and a commitment to provide regular dividends to shareholders. Monthly dividend stocks have several benefits. Number 1, regular monthly distributions provide investors with a reliable income stream. This is good for budgeting and financial planning. Also, this is particularly helpful for those who live off dividends or earn passive income. Number 2, monthly dividends provide a steady income flow that may be reinvested to build wealth. This compounding impact may boost your portfolio growth and long-term returns. Monthly dividend stocks appeal to income-oriented investors, including retirees and those seeking to make passive income. Plus, there's no need to sell shares for income. Okay, now let's remember, what is dividend yield? Dividend yield is the amount of money you can get in relation to a stock price in the form of dividends. And so you have to make sure that the company can sustain dividend payments in the long term. Second, we assess corporate stability because we want to invest in well-established businesses that make money. Remember, reliable companies equals regular dividend payouts. Lastly, you should look into the company's growth potential. You want to choose companies with future growth potential and consistent dividend payouts. That's why equities with a steady income, a secure base, and an opportunity for growth are what you should be looking for. Now, I'm ready to share with you 7 monthly dividend stocks that will pay your rent. I'm going to tell you how much money you'll have to invest in each of those stocks in order to make $2,000 every month. We will start with number 7. Introducing the Portland General Electric Company with a ticker symbol POR. The Portland General Electric Company is an American public utility company that supplies power. The company raised its quarterly payout by 5.3% to 50 cents per share on April the 22nd. This was the 18th year in a row that the company's income went up. POR is one of the best high dividend paying stocks that you might not have heard about. On April 27th, the stock had a payout yield of 4.67%. Insider Monkey's information shows that 16 hedge funds had positions in Portland General Electric Company in the fourth quarter of 2023, compared to 21 in the previous quarter. All of these stakes together are worth about $122 million. To make $2,000 a month with this stock, you would need to invest $513,918 of your money with it, and you can forget about working hard to pay for your rent forever. Number 6 on our list of high-yielding dividend companies is WesBanco, with a ticker symbol WSBC. The bank holding company gives a 36 cents quarterly dividend per share and has been increasing dividends for the last 12 years. As of April the 27th, the stock's dividend yield was 5.23%. WesBanco was owned by 6 hedge funds in quarter 4 2023, according to Insider Monkey's database, down from 10 the previous quarter. The combined value of these investments exceeds $8.6 million. In Q4, AQR Capital Management, owned by Cliff Asness, was the company's largest investor. To make $2,000 a month with this stock alone, you would need to put $458,891 in it. Next on our list, sitting at number 5, is the American energy firm Avista Corporation, with a ticker symbol AVA. Avista Corporation is focused on the production, transportation, and distribution of natural gas and electricity. The quarterly dividend paid by the corporation is 47.5 cents per share, an increase of 3.3% from February of this year. The corporation has increased its dividend for 22 years running. As of April the 27th, the stock's dividend yield was 5.34%. Avista Corporation was owned by 17 hedge funds in Insider Monkey's database at the end of December 2023, compared to 15 in the previous quarter. The total estimated value of these stakes is more than $45.8 million. In Q4, Millennium Management was the company's largest investor among these hedge funds. To enjoy your rent-free lifestyle, you would need $449,438 invested with the Vista Corporation. This would ensure that you have $2,000 coming in passively every month, and your rent is taken care of. Number 4 on our list today is Pennsylvania-based Gaming and Leisure Properties, Inc., with a ticker symbol GLPI. GLPI is Real Estate Investment Trust, which invests in casino properties. The business announced on February the 28th that its quarterly dividend will increase by 4.1% to 76 cents per share. This was the company's third year of dividend increase in a row. The stock's dividend yield as of April the 27th is 7.16%. It's one of the high-yielding, under-the-radar stocks. In Q4 2023, there were 22 hedge funds compared to 17 in the previous quarter that have interests in Gaming and Leisure Properties, Inc. The total estimated value of these interests is $476.7 million. And for you to stop stressing about your rent, you'll need to put $335,195 with this company, because that amount is going to be just enough to be receiving $2,000 in checks every month. We're coming close to the best monthly dividend stock. The top 3 starts with Frontline PLC, ticker symbol FRO. With its fleet of tankers, a maritime corporation with its headquarters in Bermuda transports crude oil and oil products. As of April the 27th, the company had a dividend yield of 9.12% and a paid quarterly dividend of 37 cents per share. Since 2015, it has consistently paid stockholders dividends. Based on Insider Monkey's database, Frontline PLC was included in 12 hedge fund portfolios at the end of Q4 2023, the same as the previous quarter. The aggregate value of the investments owned by these hedge funds exceeds $286 million. To start getting monthly $2,000 checks from Frontline, you'll need to have $263,157 invested in its stock. At number 2, we have Next Point Real Estate Finance, Inc., and its ticker symbol is NREF. Next Point is a Texas-based real estate investment trust company that invests in commercial mortgage real estate properties. The company initiated its dividend policy in 2020 and has paid regular dividends to shareholders since then. It currently pays a quarterly dividend of 50 cents per share. With a dividend yield of 9.39%, Next Point is one of the best stocks with high yields. As of the end of the fourth quarter of 2023, 5 hedge funds tracked by Insider Monkey held stakes in Next Point. The consolidated value of these stakes is more than $139 million. With over 8.5 million shares, Highland Capital Management was the company's leading stakeholder in Q4. With Next Point, you will need to have $255,591 invested in its stock to rake in $2,000 of passive income hitting your bank account every month. I have one last dividend stock for you that requires relatively less cash invested to enjoy your rent-free life. And before I reveal it to you, I want to ask you to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button if you enjoy this video and smash that bell button so you won't miss any of my future videos. Okay, our leader on this list is Crescent Capital BDC, Inc., with a ticker symbol CCAP, which, as of April the 27th, had a dividend yield of nearly 11%. The business development corporation located in California pays out a 41 cents quarterly dividend per share. The company's dividend income increased from $7.7 million in 2022 to over $13.3 million in 2023. 9 hedge funds had interests in Crescent Capital, according to Insider Monkey's database, for Q4 2023. The combined value of these interests is close to $55 million. In Q4, Prem Watts's Fairfax Financial Holdings was the biggest shareholder in the business among these hedge funds. At $218,181, this stock requires the least amount of your money invested in to enjoy your monthly passive profit of $2,000 a month. Check this video here if you want to find out the quickest way you can start living off dividends this year.